Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. As you can see, I'm working on the Crown Vic, my 2008 Crown Vic Police Interceptor, and specifically I'm cleaning the seats. Take a look at these seats. These are a thing of horror. The ground in stains. I don't even know what these stains are. I'm hoping it's coffee. But anyway, I'm gonna get rid of these stains today, and I'm gonna use my little machine here, which I just picked up. I'll put a link below where you can get it. Okay, this is a Bissell. It's called the Spotclean Professional Portable, made for cars. Fits right in the car, as you can see. It makes a lot of noise, but it does the job. I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna work here. Now this thing is noisy, but I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. First of all, it's got a little trigger. I love triggers. It's got a little sprayer. Spray down the area that you're gonna work on. I'm gonna work on this area first. I'm gonna scrub in the cleaning solution, and then I'm gonna suck it up. And you're gonna see how much dirt is actually gonna, it's very satisfying to see the dirt come out of this seat. And I've already done that seat, it's pretty good. Doing this one, I wanted to show you how this works and how good it is and how satisfying it is to suck up the dirt. Oh, it's pretty loud. Then we're just going to spray this whole area. Spray. Get it nice and wet. Now just to help the cleaning action, I've got this little brush attachment in my drill, and I'm going to use that just to work it in. This is going to help get it deeper in there. It won't hurt the car because this is very tough seat material. There you go. Done. Okay, now watch this. I'll do a couple of passes.
Now, is that satisfying or what? That's actually fun. Okay, I'm gonna keep working. After I'm done, I'll show you the results.
Alright, the job is done, and as you can see, well, it's still a little bit wet, so it's got to dry, but that's way, way better. There's like stains of undescribable origin right over here and right over here, and look how clean that is. And it smells so much better. Can you smell that? Yeah, it's good. Okay, like this little guy is super easy to use. You have one tank, pull up, pull out. This is where the solution is. I had this completely full. You can see there's still some solution left, and this used 3 ounces of the super concentrated cleaning fluid. So you can see I still got some left. It did the 2 front seats, no problem. And this is the tank where all the filth goes into. Let's take a look. And there it comes right out, and look at that. It's black with undescribable filth in there. Let's pour this sucker out. Oh, gross. Okay, so the Bissell Spotclean is awesome. It works. And also the drill brush, this works really good too. So if you want a satisfying removal of filth from your seats, you got to get these 2 guys. And I'll put a link below where you can get your own drill brush and Bissell Spotclean Pro. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.